moving on.
Moving on to our third segment, which is
Oh, ये खत्म हो गया
toxic.
word?
हाँ, मतलब
अच्छा,
मैंने सबके लिए it's like in every show I take 4 to 5 terms to
okay.
see कितनी
जिनमें से मुझे
knowledge है.
एक भी नहीं
एक भी
पता
नहीं
थी
आती
यार.
थी. Fail. अगली दफा याद करके आना. Okay, so
हाँ.
our third segment is toxic or timeless. इस segment में I am going to give you a situation and I will ask, is this a red flag or a green flag?
Okay.
So your situation is they're isolating you from friends and other parts of your life. Is it a signal of controlling kind of a relationship or codependency?
Of course, they're trying to make you dependent on them.
That is
सही.
controlling.
And ताकि of
Codependency में,
course.
the other person is also doing this for you. I
Okay,
feel that
okay.
they should never do this
हाँ,
because
I think both sides से ऐसा होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए because
Yeah.
beside them you yourself is a whole complete individual
Yeah, I
with
guess
all the rights to maintain that.
yes, I guess you know what happens is like there are times when your partner और मतलब वो आपको देखती है ना if you are very outgoing or if you are like out there that much within your friends or like that, so I think उसको ना कहीं पे insecurity आती है where she starts thinking कि okay let's control that part and
Yeah, I feel that also is very immature
yes it
because
is.
before being in this relationship, my current relationship, I might have a different perspective about this because especially the male जो हमारे फैक्टर्स हैं लाइफ में वो हमारे पेरेंट्स में फादर हो या ब्रदर हो they are taught to be someone who have to control the females of the family. ठीक है, वो आपकी बेटी होगी, वो आपकी बहन होगी, वो आपकी कज़न होगी, यू ऑलवेज वुड क्वेश्चन दैट गर्ल कि ऐसे क्यों, ये क्यों, वो क्यों. तो वन थिंग, एंड आई एम नॉट समवन जो जेंडर बाइज्ड हो, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम नॉट समवन जो जेंडर बाइज्ड हो. आई डू वर्क फॉर women empowerment and all, but I always speak for the people who are suffering. So that includes males as well, kids as well. So I am not someone who is gender biased, but this is a very common practice. मतलब बहुत छोटी एज, आपका भाई 5 साल का होगा ना, बहन 15 साल की होगी, तो वो भाई को लेके जाना होगा बहन को, क्योंकि वो एक प्रोटेक्टर है जी उसका, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ शिटी. ठीक है, तो ये एक माइंडसेट डेवलप किया हुआ होता है.
अच्छा,
सो
you know, luckily माशाल्लाह से it was never in our family.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह,
Yeah,
दैट्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव थिंग, बट द
yeah, I have 5 sisters and then 2 brothers and then it's me. So 7 siblings.
हाउ
My brothers were older than me, but they never had to like, take my sisters anywhere
या
because हम लोग मिरपुर
But
खास में भी
see,
रहे हैं.
see, Masab, the thing is कि how many families you find like yours? Very
Yeah,
few.
yeah.
So
True that.
majority में this is the story I'm telling is very common.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस जो हमारे कल्चर के या हमारे इस ख़ित्ते के आदमियों को पढ़ाई सिखाई और घुट्टी में पिलाई जाती है, जिसमें उनका एक प्रोटेक्टर फेस जाग जाता है. एंड
Yeah.
द फीमेल्स दे काइंड गेट प्रोन टू दैट कि वो अच्छा उनको उनको आदत हुई हुई होती है, क्योंकि बचपन से उन्होंने बाप के साथ, भाई के साथ, कजन्स के साथ यही देखा होता है, मामे चाचे सब आ जाते हैं पाठ पढ़ाने अपना.
Yeah.
तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बॉयफ्रेंड, they're used to it, they kind of accept it.
Yeah.
ठीक है, somehow. Now when I am in this mashallah very healthy and very positive relationship, I found this कि when my partner have a problem with someone, we talk about it. We talk about what are his concerns. I convey what things I like feel comfortable around that certain person we are talking about, the situation we are talking about. So we kind of make a middle path जहाँ पे I am not completely out of my comfort zone and he's not even someone जो कि वो distress में है या वो परेशान हो रहा है. Generally he's someone who never stops me seeing my friends. He even encourages me because I was someone जो पिछले 3 साल से I didn't make friends properly. I didn't used to go out of the house. मैं 3 साल घर में रही हूँ because I never had that intention or the need of having more friends.
Yeah.
For me, he was like fun. He was the only person, he was my best friend. So I was good with that. But then he was like, listen, you have to make your social life. And
Hmm.
finally, I listened to him. I have got some really good friends around. I go out.
Thank you.
I, yes, I go out, sit with people. I play
Hmm.
games.